Jai Hind, this is Rakesh Saw from PES Academy. Today we are going to discuss in world geography South America continent. There are 14 countries in South America continent. We will design all 14 countries of South America in such a way that which country touches which other countries or not. Right now I am going to design all 14 countries of South America continent. Look at here. This is South America. This is South America. This is South America. We are going to discuss South America continent. South America continent. In South America continent, there are 14 countries. Look at here. This is the biggest country of South America continent. This is Brazil. This is Brazil. Above the Brazil, there are 3 small countries. The first one is that one. The first one is French Guiana. French Guiana. Above the Brazil, there are 3 small countries. This one is French Guiana. The another neighbor country of Brazil is Suriname. This is Suriname. This is Suriname. And the another neighbor country of Brazil, this one is Guyana. Guyana. This one is Guyana. We are going to discuss all 14 countries of South America continent. This is the biggest country of, according to size of South America. This is Brazil. Above Brazil, here is the neighbor country of Brazil is French Guiana, Suriname, Guyana. The bigger neighbor country of Brazil, this one the first, second, and this one third. This is Venezuela. 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 This is Venezuela. Venezuela. This is Colombia. Colombia. Look at here. South America touches North America continent. The country of North America continent is Panama. That one is Panama. This is Panama. Panama country. This is Panama. Panama is a country of North America continent which touches Colombia. Colombia is a country of South America continent. It means Panama, which is the country of North America, touches Colombia, which is the country of South America. It means South America touches the North America. Panama is a country of North America continent. We are discussing here Brazil, French Guiana, Suriname, Guyana, Venezuela, Colombia. This country is Peru. This is Peru. In between Colombia and Peru, here is a country. This is Ecuador. This is Ecuador. This is Ecuador. The equator is passing from Ecuador. That's why this country is known as Ecuador. This is Ecuador. In between Peru and Colombia, here is a country that is Ecuador. Look at here. The neighbor country of Brazil, starting from Peru, there are two countries, two continuous countries. These are the neighbor of Brazil. This is Bolivia. Bolivia. This is Bolivia. This is Bolivia. This is Paraguay. Paraguay. This is Paraguay. And this is the neighbor country of Brazil. This one is Uruguay. Uruguay. This is Uruguay. Look at here. The neighbor countries of Brazil: French Guiana, Suriname, Guyana, Venezuela, Colombia, and Peru. In between Peru and Colombia, here is a country, Ecuador. This is Bolivia, Paraguay, Uruguay. I am drawing a line starting from Bolivia. This one. This one. This country is known as Chile. This country is known as Chile. And this country is known as Argentina. This is Argentina. This is Argentina. There are total number of 13 countries. One country in South America is an island country. This is the only island country of South America continent. This is Falkland. Falkland. This is Falkland. Falkland is the only island country of South America continent. Here we have discussed all 14 countries of South America continent. Look at here. Brazil, French Guiana, Suriname, Guyana, Venezuela, Colombia, Peru, Bolivia, Paraguay, Uruguay. In between Peru and Colombia, this is Ecuador, Argentina, Chile, and this is Falkland. I am going to discuss here number of neighbor country of a country. Look at here. Brazil. Brazil having 10 neighbor countries. First, French Guiana, Suriname, Guyana, Venezuela, Colombia, Peru, Bolivia, Paraguay, Argentina, and Uruguay. There are total number of 10 neighbor countries of Brazil. Look at here. This one is French Guiana. French Guiana touches here Brazil and Suriname. Suriname touches here Brazil, French Guiana, and Guyana. Guyana touches here Brazil. This is Suriname and Venezuela. Venezuela touches here Colombia, Brazil, and Guyana. Colombia touches here Ecuador, Peru, Brazil, and Venezuela. And Colombia touches Panama. Panama is a country of North America continent. Peru touches here Ecuador, Colombia, Brazil, here Bolivia, and Chile. Bolivia touches here Peru, Brazil, Paraguay, Argentina, and Chile. Paraguay touches here Brazil, Argentina, and Bolivia. Argentina touches here Brazil, Paraguay, Bolivia, Chile, and Uruguay, and Brazil. Chile touches here Peru, Bolivia, Argentina. Uruguay touches here Brazil, and Argentina. And Falkland is the only island country of South America continent. Right now I am going to discuss the capital of the countries of South America continent. We are going to discuss the capitals. Right now I am going to discuss the capitals. Look at here. Look at here. The capital of French Guiana is here. This dotted represent the capitals. These are the capitals. These are the capitals. Look at here. The capital of French Guiana is Cayenne. 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 The capital of Suriname is Paramaribo. This one is Paramaribo. Paramaribo. The capital of French Guiana is Cayenne. The capital of Suriname is Paramaribo. The capital of Guyana is Georgetown. The capital of Guyana is Georgetown. This one is Georgetown. This one is Georgetown. Georgetown is a capital of Guyana. The capital of Venezuela is Caracas. Caracas. The capital of Venezuela is Caracas. The capital of Colombia is Bogota. This one is Bogota. 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 The capital of Colombia is Bogota. The capital of Venezuela is Caracas. The capital of Guyana is Georgetown. The capital of Suriname is Paramaribo. The capital of French Guiana is Cayenne. The capital of Ecuador is Quito. This is Quito. The capital of Ecuador is Quito. The capital of Peru is Lima. This is Lima. The capital of Peru is Lima. The capital of Peru is Lima. The capital of Bolivia is La Paz. This is La Paz. The capital of Bolivia is La Paz. This is La Paz. The capital of Paraguay is Asuncion. The capital of Paraguay is Asuncion. This one is Asuncion. The capital of Paraguay is Asuncion. Asuncion. The capital of Brazil is Brasilia. Brasilia. The capital of Brazil is Brasilia. The capital of Uruguay is Montevideo. Montevideo. The capital of Uruguay is Montevideo. This is Montevideo. The capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires. This is Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires. The capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires. The capital of Chile is Santiago. This is Santiago. This is Santiago. Capital of Chile is Santiago. Capital of Falkland is Stanley. Stanley. Here we have discussed all 14 countries of South America continent with capitals. Look at here. This one is French Guiana. Capital is Cayenne. This is Suriname. Capital is Paramaribo. This is Guyana. Capital is Georgetown. This is Venezuela. Capital is Caracas. This is Colombia. Capital is Bogota. This is Ecuador, capital is Quito. This is Peru, capital is Lima. This is Bolivia, capital is La Paz. This is Paraguay. The capital of Paraguay is Asuncion. This is Uruguay, capital of Uruguay is Montevideo. This is Argentina, capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires. Capital of Falkland is Stanley, and capital of Chile is Santiago. Here we have discussed all 14 countries of South America continent with capitals. जय हिंद, जय भारत.